Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing, beautiful color, painting and beautiful shapes drawing. First color name, purple color, blue color, brown color and sky blue color, yellow color, pink color, orange color, red color and green color. Shapes drawing green color, heart, moon, triangle, hexagon, cloud, sun, color kids, heart, heart, red color, yellow color, moon, light pink color, triangle, sky blue color, hexagon, light green color, cloud, black color, sun, heart, moon, triangle, hexagon, cloud, sun. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.